Welcome everybody. Today we have 2024 Nissan Frontier Pro-4X. So the number one complaint that I've heard about this truck, and most people who drive it for the first time actually say that the steering is really stiff. It is when you are pretty much stationary or going under like 25, under 30 miles per hour. Once you actually go in about 35 or more, it's actually really good. Pretty good acceleration. Really smooth shifts. This 9-speed automatic transmission is really good. I have one of these, mine is 2022, and I've been driving it for over a year, and I love it. Feels good on the freeway. Steering is really responsive. Actually, I prefer it this way rather than really loose steering. hope you can see this actually has the speed limit sign recognition. Really quick and smooth shifts. Really minimal road noise as well. On mine I do have a 2-inch leveling kit, but I haven't changed the tires, haven't changed the suspension, so it hasn't affected the ride quality. It just looks a little bit better with extra 2 inches of ground clearance, and obviously it's nice to have that if you're taking this off-road. It does perform really well off-road. If you'd like to see how it performs off-road, go ahead and check out this video right here.